finding patterns and making algebraic expressions. So basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to take numbers out of a table and make an equation.
Okay.
Yay!
This is stupid.
Okay. Well, now that everybody's ready to learn. Okay, well now I'll show you an example on the board.
Okay, so here's the problem. The first 5 terms of a number sequence are 6, 10, 14, 18, and 22. Which of the following expressions represents the general term of the sequence? So we have our answers, and so now we will use these numbers here to find the expression, or the equation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a graph, and then have our n value up here and our answer. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 answers. Okay, so now we have 6, 10, 14, 18, and 22. So what we do with those, now we take this first n value and we will plug it into this n value to see if we come out with the answer of 6. And we do. So then let's just go on to the second one to see if it works. So we plug in 2 as the next n value and we get 12. But that does not work, so we know A is not the answer. So now we do n plus 4, and we plug in 1 for n. So 1 plus 4 equals 5, not 6. So we know that one's not the answer. So now let's do 4n plus 2. So we do 4 times 1 plus 2, which equals 4 plus 2 is 6. So then let's do it for the second one. Okay, and that works. So now let's just come back to that one and do this one to see if it works. So we do, and we plug in for n plus 6, which this equals 10, and so we know that's not right. So we do know our answer is C. Do you guys understand it?
Yeah, I do. What? What are you talking about?
Aaron,
What?
no phones in the classroom.
I have to go.
And why do you have a drink on your desk? You know there's no eating and drinking in here. Throw it away.
No.
Aaron,
I didn't do that!
go into the hallway.
No.
Go into the hall.
No.
Aaron.
Learn.
Okay, no fighting, guys. Stop. Go into the hallway, please.
Miss Goody Goody. Miss Batty Batty.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you all another example. Let me go to the board and do it.
Okay, so this is going to be our second example. Which equation best represents the relationship between the corresponding values of x and y given in the table? So our table is this. Sorry, I didn't already have it written on the board. So we have -4, -3, 2, and 5. And our y values are 19, 15, -5, and -17. Okay, so those are our points. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get 2 points off the graph, the table, excuse me, and we are going to use the slope formula to find the slope. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these 4 points right here, are x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So the slope formula is m equals 15 minus 19, oh, sorry, going ahead, my bad, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So then plugging in our values, we would do 15 minus 19 over negative 3, and then we would have minus negative 4, but since we have double signage right here, we would make that a positive 4. So it would be plus 4. So then we would get 15 minus 19 is negative 4, and negative 3 plus 4 is 1. So then we all know that would equal negative 4. So now we have our slope. So that is what our slope equals. So on these answers right here, we know that the slope is the first part of the y equals mx plus b. So we know this one is not right because that's 2x. We know this one is not correct because it is negative x. And we know this one is not right because it's negative 5x. So let's just see if it equals that. So now we will use our point slope formula, which is y1 minus, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So now we take our x1 and y1 values and plug them in along with our slope. So y minus 19 equals negative 4x. Here we go again with our double signage, negative and negative 4, or minus and negative 4, so that would become a plus 4. So then now we just distribute this over to that. So we get negative 4x and negative 16 equals y minus 19. So then we have to get y by itself, so you do plus 19 and then plus 19. So then what you do, you get y equals negative 4x plus 3. And D would be our answer.
Okay, so do y'all understand it?
Yeah, I understand it now.
Yeah. Where's Erin? Is she still in the hallway?
Yes.
Okay, let me go get Erin outside, guys. Erin, why are you still on your phone? I put you out in the hallway because you were on your phone. I told you to get off.
Look, I'm on Google.
Erin, give me your phone, please.
What?
Give me your phone. I told you to not be on your phone anymore, so I'm confiscating your phone. Okay, Erin, thank you. Now you may join the class. Okay, so that was y'all's lessons for today. So I hope you have a great weekend, and you may be dismissed by the bell.
Finally.
Bye.